For us, the big advantages of transition to BricsCAD were firstly the ease of use of the CAD platform. Secondly, the cost savings and the flexible network licensing solution. And then also BricsCAD's partnership approach to our relationship. The transition process from the previous CAD software was so simple and it was a no-brainer for us. The BricsCAD interface was instantly familiar, so those with a muscle memory were able to continue working and producing their deliverables to an even higher standard than they had been doing previously. We've been able to reduce our CAD licensing costs by up to 80%. That's actually a year-on-year saving, which enables us to reinvest those savings into other areas of our business.
So as the regional leader here for the ANZ region, it's extremely important to me that we have the right customer journey in place. For an organisation like Veris, it was really important that that journey started from day dot. Being there as a main point of contact and providing the right level of response, understanding their requirements as a potential customer, ensuring that the right level of engagement from an authorised reseller was in place, and ensuring that they knew that they could always come to us directly with any queries or concerns that they may have. Veris gets access to Brics' global support. They have access to local support through my team here in Australia, but also through the channel partner that is supporting them with their license requirements.
With productivity increases of up to 20%, BricsCAD's streamlined interface and powerful toolsets have led to measurable improvements in our day-to-day productivity across our teams. Our custom list routines, developed in-house, run seamlessly on BricsCAD and automate repetitive tasks and enforce drafting standards. This also has the effect of saving hours per project. A key factor in our decision-making process was BricsCAD's ability to process gigabytes of data from all the different types of sensors and equipment that we operate at Veris. The platform is fit for purpose and works well within our existing investments in hardware and software. This means that all of our deliverables have maximum interoperability for our downstream clients. As a result, we've been able to streamline workflows from field data to finished plans, all within the BricsCAD environment.
The product was able to seamlessly be adopted in their organisation. There was a familiarity, but more important was that they had an interoperability with other applications such as the Hexagon suite that Veris is heavily invested in. The solution becomes almost like a glue in their organisation, which then allows them to grow with the application and not just have an application on its own. There's an element of total cost ownership, but it's more about the productivity that the employees are experiencing and gaining from having a right solution in place.
We found BricsCAD really took an interest in our business. We really feel part of the development of the product so that it fits our purposes and also the industry's. The result is a more cohesive, cost-effective and scalable CAD infrastructure that supports our business growth and technical excellence.